These inventions should be in the hands of all property owners, and if you want to find out why, then stay tuned. When it comes to protecting the ground on your property, whether during construction, creating a temporary path, or installing a permanent road, Danrek offers effective and accessible solutions. These options are ideal for those who prefer to avoid complications in their projects. But just when you think you've discovered everything this tool has to offer, the best is yet to come. Danrek panels are lightweight and easy to install, allowing you to quickly create a protective barrier without the need for special tools. You may need some tools to make adjustments to the panels, but the process is straightforward. The panels are made from plastic, a material that can be cut, sawed, screwed, and welded with ease, making any modifications you require easy. One of the biggest advantages of Danrek panels is that they're made from 100% recycled plastic. By choosing these products, you're not only protecting the ground from damage, you're also helping to protect the environment. Danrek combines functionality and sustainability, offering property owners an option that is as effective as it is responsible. Protect your floor and make an environmentally friendly choice with Danrek. Homeowner presents Oasis covers as the ultimate solution for transforming a spa into a personal retreat. Looking at the design, it's easy to see why the company uses such strong language. The Oasis cover resembles the roof of a real house, providing exceptional protection for your relaxation area against all weather and unforeseen events. Although you've seen the wonders they offer, there's an additional feature that makes the difference. What really sets Oasis apart from other solutions on the market is its ability to withstand severe physical damage, overcoming the limitations of covers made from fabric or other less durable materials. This not only provides a safe space, but also guarantees exceptional durability. Furthermore, like any personal retreat, Oasis covers can be customized to suit your aesthetic and functional preferences. You can choose from a variety of designs, finishes, lighting, and side curtains to create an environment that perfectly suits your tastes and needs. Protecting your home from flooding has never been easier or more effective. With innovative solutions such as the inflatable serpent tube, you can act quickly when a storm is approaching. This ingenious device inflates and deflates in seconds by simply connecting the pump. Once ready, it becomes an effective barrier that protects your home from flooding, giving you the peace of mind you need when it counts. While the Serpent is a quick and practical option, there are more robust alternatives that require a little more installation. These non-inflatable barriers are designed to protect larger areas and are assembled by plugging each piece together. While this process may be a little more complicated, the design offers a significant advantage: resistance to sharp objects dragged along by the current, preventing a single compromised piece from destroying the entire barrier. There are many solutions available to protect your home from flooding, each tailored to different circumstances and needs. It's important to choose the right option for the situation to ensure the best defense against water. For those wishing to protect their property from intruders, spikes are an effective and surprising deterrent. Anyone attempting to invade someone else's space will be in for an unexpected surprise when they encounter these barriers. From the first contact, it's likely that the intruder will lose the momentum to continue and decide to leave. Spikes can be made of plastic or metal, each offering a different level of protection. Do you want to know what's different about this product? Plastic spikes, while equally effective, are safer, causing fewer injuries and providing a defense with less risk to the intruder. This not only protects your property, but also minimizes the possibility of an unnecessary confrontation. Installing spikes is quick and easy, allowing property owners to create a unique and personal trap to deter any intruder. By choosing this solution, you not only increase the security of your home, but also send a clear message that your property is protected. More than just a wall decoration, the Mouse Fire Blanket is an investment in the security of your home for just $57. Ideally, this product should stay in place and serve its decorative function without needing to be used. But if an emergency should arise, the mouse will not let you down. What makes it important is that in the event of a fire, simply remove the blanket from its wall mount. Make sure you place your hands on the protected areas to avoid burns. Once you have the blanket in hand, throwing it over the fire will cut off the oxygen supply and help extinguish the fire effectively. It's important to remember that the mouse blanket is single-use, so you shouldn't wash it before or after use. This feature underlines its emergency design, ensuring it's ready to go when you need it most. When a storm is brewing or hail is falling from the sky, having a reliable roof becomes a priority. Roof cover effectively protects your home from these and many other weather hazards. Installation is quick and efficient. In just 30 minutes, the posts are in place and the sheet is securely fastened, ensuring that nothing unwanted can penetrate this protective barrier. What's really innovative about this is that this system not only adds an extra layer of security to your roof, but also provides peace of mind to the homeowner. Protection is essential to maintain the integrity of your home and the comfort of its interior. With roof cover, you can rest assured that your home is protected and enjoy the satisfaction of knowing you've strengthened your shelter against the elements. Don't let the storm take you by surprise. Choose roof cover and keep your home safe at all times. Survive a Storm offers a shelter designed to protect you from even the most devastating tornadoes, with winds in excess of 250 miles per hour. The strength of this shelter comes from its solid steel cylindrical construction, which is firmly anchored to the ground with high-strength anchor bolts. This robust design ensures that you're protected from the wind and any debris that may be hurled by a hurricane. All this may seem neat, but it's worth noting that the comfort inside the shelter may be somewhat limited. Its compact size may not offer as much space as many would like, but it's equipped with ventilation to allow for extended stays in extreme conditions. While comfort may not be a priority with this type of bunker, its main purpose is to keep you and your loved ones safe in times of danger. With Survive a Storm, you can face the elements with the peace of mind that you have a solid and reliable shelter. By choosing this bunker, you're preparing yourself for the wrath of nature and making your safety a priority, all for $3,995. If you have a pool on your property, the PFD system is an essential addition that can act quickly to extinguish a fire in the event of an emergency. This innovative system uses the pool as its main source of water, connected to a system of 2 pumps. The first pump draws water from the pool, while the second pumps it toward the fire, reaching distances of up to 175 meters. What really distincts this tool is that they're designed with mobility in mind. The PFD is easy to transport thanks to its wheels that allow agile movement. It's also quick and easy to assemble and disassemble, so you can be ready to use in minutes. With the PFD system, you not only protect your home from fire, but you also use the resources you already have. It effectively and efficiently increases the safety of your property and ensures that you're prepared for any eventuality. Imagine a scenario where your property doesn't turn into a lake after a heavy rain. With EcoBlock Max, this worry is a thing of the past. Installing this innovative system is simple and straightforward. The biggest challenge is digging a hole large enough to accommodate the modules. Once this step has been taken, assembling the blocks is as easy as putting together a game. Each EcoBlock Max module weighs just 20 pounds, making it easy to transport and connect. Want to see some magic of this system? Well, the magic lies in its smart design. Unlike traditional drains, which tend to collect water, EcoBlock Max modules efficiently filter rainwater. This water then drains gradually through the outlets or seeps into the ground, preventing the formation of large and dangerous puddles. With EcoBlock Max, you not only ensure the safety and good condition of your property, but also contribute to more sustainable water management. The SunPower S250 is the ideal solution for those who want to increase the security of their property without complications. This device allows you to convert a normal fence into an electric fence, all without the need to connect to an external power source. Its operation is clever. On sunny days, an integrated solar panel captures energy from the sun, while at night, a built-in battery takes over, ensuring that your fence is always active. Installing the SunPower S250 is quick and easy. All you need to do is attach it to one of your fence posts, follow a few simple connection steps, and press a button. It's that simple. Amazing, but that's just a small sample. What's really impressive is the length of the fence. Without vegetation, the fence should not exceed 1.8 miles, while with vegetation, the limit extends to 4 miles. If your fence exceeds these dimensions, you'll need to invest an additional $217 to add more capacity. If you like this, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to see more content.